Adding subtitles to a YouTube video. After signing into YouTube Studio, click on the left-hand side for Content. Select the video you wish to add subtitles to and click on Details. After clicking on Details, in the left-hand side, click on Subtitles. Then click on the Add button. Your subtitle options will then appear. Options include upload file, auto sync, or type in subtitles manually. For our video today, we will be selecting the auto generate feature. After clicking on the edit feature in the right-hand side, it will pull up the auto-generated subtitle script. If the subtitles are accurate, click on the publish button. Click on the thumbnail of the video to watch it, and also to make sure that the subtitles are accurate. Keep in mind that auto-generation can create misspelled words.